How to fix? Please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your Apple ID giving you trouble, saying that you'll need to contact iTunes support to complete the transaction. So the fix for this is actually you'll need to create a new Apple ID. To create a new Apple ID, we'll head over to our settings first. And after we're on our settings, let me go back first. Okay, so after we're on our settings, scroll down and there you should find mail. If you don't find it, head over to the apps section on the bottom and search for mail. Tap on mail and there you should find accounts. So you can scroll down or there you'll find accounts. Now head over to mail accounts and there you can tap on add accounts. Now select iCloud and here you can tap on create new Apple account. Tap on it and you can now go ahead and create your new account. Now you can do this method or there is another method that you can use. For that, open up your Safari. Let me just open up a Safari and there head over to accounts.apple.com. After you head over to account.apple.com, this is what it should look like. On the top right besides Apple account, you'll find a drop down button. Tap on it and there you'll see create your Apple account. Tap on it. After you do that, here you will be able to fill this form out and then create an Apple account. And after you do that, use that Apple ID for whatever transaction that you want and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.